Hello, good day. Today we are going to talk about Kaggle. So, what is this platform? Kaggle is a data science platform and also a platform used by machine learning enthusiasts. It's a great source for you to get data sets as well as um, to explore notebooks, okay, which have been done by other data scientists. So we are going to learn step by step how to use the Kaggle platform to progress as a data scientist, as well as to improve your skills and interact and build up a good community for your work. Okay, so I am sharing now my screen with you. Okay, I'm sharing my screen with you here. So we'll first get an idea of the home page. So when you log into your Kaggle account, um, now here on top, now it says login streak. So this means how many consecutive days you've logged in. So 254 days means for the past 254 days, I've logged in every day. And then here on the rank, now if you have already reached expert status, at least on one of the four areas, sorry, at least on one of the four areas, that means data sets, discussions, notebooks, competitions, one of these four, your rank will be indicated. And from that also, your highest rank will be indicated here. Okay. And the tier progress also, from your achievements, the one that you are closest to achieving the highest grade, that means now this says 80% to grandmaster, meaning that is on the datasets category. Okay, I will show you the relevant categories and how this system works. So let us go to okay, rankings. Okay, so here this shows the global rankings and how the players are in each category. And we go to progression. Now the progression will show how you achieve each type of category of expertise. Okay. Now, when you start Kaggle, when you register, your account falls under the category of novice. And for you to get promoted to the contributor ranking, you need to do each of these steps. See, you need to run a notebook or script. You need to make one competition submission. You need to make one comment, and you need to give one upvote. Now, there is something that is not mentioned here, which I should mention, and that is when you want to make comments in this platform, first you will need to verify. First, you will need to verify your account, and that is done through your phone number. Now, I would like to tell you that this process has to be done carefully, because if you have previously registered in the Kaggle platform using the same email or phone number, this can be a problem. So do not register multiple accounts with the same phone number, or your account will be deactivated by Kaggle. So please remember that. Right. So see, if you go to the next category, following contributor, you have next on the list expert category. So when you reach the expert category, that means they've said you've completed a significant body of work on Kaggle in one or more of the categories of expertise. Now, this means you don't have to be an expert in all of them. Now, in this case, now I have not achieved expert status on competitions, but I have achieved on data sets, notebooks, and in discussions. So I would say start off with some area where you are more comfortable. Now, if you take data sets, you need only 3 bronze medals in order to achieve expert status on data sets. For notebooks, you will need 5 bronze medals. Now, in the discussion category, achieving a bronze medal is not that hard because you just need 1 upvote. Okay, these medals are all based on upvotes. Now, if you take data sets, okay, now you might be wondering what is a bronze medal, what is a silver medal, what is a gold medal. Okay, I will explain that here. So now for example, we'll take data sets. Okay, I will talk about competitions in detail later. But we'll first consider data sets. Now, data sets, okay, the system works like this. For 5 upvotes, now these upvotes must come from people who are not novices, that means contributor rank or higher, and also you can self-vote your own data set, but that is not counted towards the medal. That means 5 people who are contributor or above must upvote your data set, and that is how you achieve bronze status. Then 20 silver and 50 gold. Now, also you must remember that when these upvotes are placed, there's a point system which will determine your rankings. In the point system, when you don't upload data sets regularly, or when you don't get your content is not very engaging all the time, the points will drop. So you have to bear that in mind. Notebooks also the same way, 5 votes, 20 votes, and 54 gold. Now, discussions work differently. If your comment gets 1 vote, it's bronze, and 5 votes, it's silver. And if you get 10 votes for a comment upwards, then it is a gold medal. But remember, in discussions, there is something called a downvote also. Now, that means somebody can downvote your comment. Then it will reduce. Now, for example, if I have 5 upvotes and if somebody downvotes, it will become 4. Like that. You can even end up with net negative downvotes. So that is actually done to see, because some people might, just post meaningless comments just to get some upvotes or just to progress. So those things are there in place so that meaningful discussions are held on the platform. So here the ranking system and how the points are given is mentioned. So there's an equation. We don't need to get into that currently. And for competitions also, there is an equation. I know it looks quite intimidating, but that is been made so that with time, the value of points also decay. Right. Okay. See, they have mentioned clearly dataset points are awarded based on the popularity of all public datasets a Kaggle has created. A Kaggle is a person who has a Kaggle account. Each upvote on a dataset is initially worth 1 point and decays based on the days the vote was cast. So with time, it decays. Okay. And same for notebooks and discussions. Right. So you have a basic idea. I will be discussing this very much in detail later on. So, and also, I would like to show you now, if you go to the section, your work, okay? So this shows what we have done. okay, as a person. But so now here I'm going to show my data sets. Okay. I'll first show data sets. See, now the data sets are arranged in the order of recently uploaded. That means this T20 World Cup 2024 Sri Lanka versus South Africa data set is my last uploaded one. Now we can change this. If we want, we can go for most votes. So it will then put the most voted one. Now here, if I go and see, I can check. So when you make a data set, the data set has details. We have a data card, which means the area that discusses about the data set. It gives valuable information. Also, it helps somebody who is working with this data set because it provides information how the data was obtained, column descriptors, what is in each column, okay, what kind of data set this is, what kind of tags. Now, this is a Spotify data set that I have done. Spotify's long hits. So from 2014 to 24, the longest tracks on Spotify. So this one, the tags are arts and entertainment, internet, music, data visualization, and culture and humanities. You can give up to 5 tags, but sometimes if it makes sense, you might see a 6th tag also appearing, but you can manually place 5 tags. Right. And then how often you expect to update the data sets. So this is about data sets in general. Then we will also have a look into code. Now here also it shows code. That means other data scientists who use this platform, they have made notebooks from this data set. That's what it means. Okay, so for this particular data set, there are 7 notebooks. Then let us go back to code. Now here it says code 37. Now this is the public view of your code. So that means what? This is only showing what the public see. Now there are some notebooks which we may be still working on, not published. Those will not be shown to the public. So for the public, only the ones that are published will be shown. So here we have the notebooks and with the relevant medal and the name. So from here you can get an idea. Now here I am a notebooks expert and my rank is 292. And it shows upwards and how many people have used forks on the notebook. So if I go further, now you will see these different colors. Now this color that you are seeing, this orange color, this is for master. Now different levels will have different colors. Okay, I will show that to you here on progression. So if you come to progression, you will see the noise is the green color, contributor is the blue color, expert is also a purple blue, then the master is orange, and the grandmaster is gold color. All right. So I hope you got some idea of the platform. In the upcoming videos, I will be discussing about how we can use this platform. Especially, I will focus sector by sector. I will go first into data sets. How we can find good data sets, how we upload, because I can give you some good tips on how to find good data sets that are compelling to the audience. And also it's useful that others can get work done with it, and it will help you also to progress on the platform. Okay, so then that is it for today. We will have another video coming up soon, and stay tuned. Bye bye for now.